Hi, this is IIot with Mr. IIot. This is a short video demonstrating how to get a machine count using Banner's wireless IIot products. We decided on this solution versus using an OPC server to extract tags because some machines that we will be implementing are too old. We're working on a digital transformation project for a client to capture data from their machines for dashboarding to provide real-time insight into shop floor productivity. During our assessment for sensor placement, we made a few observations. Tapping existing sensors wouldn't work due to scenarios like this where they place a piece of wood in front of the sensor. Horizontal placement wouldn't be effective due to stacker movement. So flat placement was optimal with a few concerns. Working with local plant maintenance, we mounted the sensor on the Boxmatic's part flap on the underside of the flap. We used our previously installed Banner DXM series wireless controller for the gateway to our machine data. Using the DX80 at the machine, we wired the sensor to digital input 1, the white wire, ground the blue, and positive the brown. With the DX80 connecting wirelessly to the gateway, we ran the sensor wire along the bottom of the machine cage. From there we ran the cable to the machine following existing wiring data, and then to the flap mounted sensor, which you can barely see here in the video. Looking back at our quickly designed Node-RED UI, you can see the count here at 119. Here's a close-up of the flap mounted sensor. We programmed the window for counting parts in a way that accommodated the flex of the cardboard when picked from the vacuum assisted stacker. Programmed about a 5 to 6 inch window. In between parts, the flap is rotated up and down. We wanted to make sure it wasn't counting parts when the flap is engaged in its upright position. To accommodate this, we added some delays to the sensor. In this video, we are testing that the count is not incrementing when the flap is moving from position to position. But it does count for regular part placement with part 1, part 2, part 3, for a total of 140. Here's our customer dashboard with the two connected machines data. Metrics the customer wanted to see were pretty basic: utilization, job count, part count, and parts per utilization hour. This data was also integrated with their ERP system. The customer has been greatly satisfied with the solution, and we have many more machines to connect. Thanks for watching.